Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4692. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have a bonnet which has a couple of dents. Right hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted alloy tray with a homemade ladder rack and a king's awning supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. Cloth type centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter and transfer shifter. Heated controls, single stack CD player with Bluetooth and MP3, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.